Ah, man. If something's there, Philip. See? Fish on. Yellowtail. Got ya. Fish on. Fish on, Philip.
Shore fishing here. Welcome back, guys. Just remember, please like, share, subscribe, and watch ads, guys. We're here today, guys, on an epic adventure. Trying to kill 3 birds with 1 stone by heading to the other side, dropping some new gears that I got off for a subscriber. 2, take Laurie and my subscriber from Texas to the beach and drop them off down there and let them have a good time while I'm doing what I'm doing. All right. So we got our friend. We're gonna introduce you a little bit later. We're not gonna do that now. When we get down there on the beach, we'll introduce you guys. All right. So this is what's up. Stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here, guys. Belmont, Westmoreland. We're gonna hit a little bit beach fishing up this morning and see what we can pick up here this morning on the line this morning. Might grab a jack this early in the morning. Who knows? Let's see what's up. Got some lures we're about to try out this morning. I'm gonna walk these shores down the line and see what we can pick up. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We'll put in a quick video. See what's up. Bless up yourself. Outside. Jamaican Shore Fishing here.
Ah, man. Catch a bird to us. I need your help. Yeah? Alright. Stay still. I lie and catch you. Hold on there. I lie and catch you. I lie and catch you and I hook catch you. That's good. That's good. Hold on. Just hold him beak, brother. Hold him beak. He will bite you, know? Hold on. Alright, see him there. Ain't gone. Bite out your ratted. Caught a bird this morning, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing here. Wasn't intending to do that. I was intending to hold a barracuda real quick. What? Caught a bird instead. Alright, let's get at it. I'll swim good home I want. If you swim, I'm borrow me a hunt final. Ah man, we get them here. Them they all about, you know. Them hang out. Eh? Yeah. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Yeah. Shore fishing. Let's see what's up, guys. We're gonna walk this beach. Yeah, guys, so we out. Yeah, that spoon lure will definitely get you some attention here, guys. Yeah, guys, so taking it on these. Hope I don't fall off in here. Fall off, I'll be all twisted today. You know what? Let's go on the other side. See if we might get a lucky barra patrolling by. Nothing, guys. I'm thinking I'm gonna change this lure off in a bit. See if I can get something else this way, guys. Yeah, we're not getting much chase or activity this side, but we're gonna go a little further up. See what we can pick up, guys. Not much activity yet, but if we can get some bites down this side. I know I came out late this morning. Yesterday I cast out yesterday. Picked up a barrel real quick on the spoon lure. You want to give it that swim, guys. Not too fast, but not too slow at the same time. Give you that effect. Nothing there, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. We'll try a twitch bait on the way back. Running the spoon lure, because spoon lure will definitely give me that effect that I want. That's going to get these fish attracted to it. Once I see long jaws jump, I know for a fact that they're near. But if I don't see any long jaw jump, that means there's no bait fish hanging around. The fish are not feeding here. There's no structure that they want to hang out in except for smaller fish. Or they just come through on feeding hours when they feel like it. I don't know, guys. Go over this next pier. See if I can get a cast the other way. Sun's real hot. I don't have my gear protection, my protective gear on. The whole ooh, little snapper rushing it. Fish from Houston. Little baby jacks chasing it. That means I'm getting attention how I'm supposed to get, guys. So running down here. Sure, right, caught himself a little fish a while ago. Look at that. I got a hook in my hand yesterday, guys. That was crazy. Be a baby jack. Be a local fish, man. Eh? Oh, bait. Look here, be a local fish I run it on. Surprise, me not see no barra around here. I don't see no long jaw jump. I don't see none of that. Nothing. New setup. We just got this new setup out. I got this from one of my subscribers. Just picked it up and put it together just now. And you're gonna see that video soon, guys. And we're just walking down this beach and we're gonna go test it out. Few casts, make sure it's casting out good and everything's okay with it. Hopefully we can bless this lure and bless this new rig, new setup. Let's see what we can pick up here, guys. Wow, nice casting out. Smooth coming in, guys. Cast really nice out. Very nice cast, guys. Cast good, man. Smooth your fat. The cast good. Eh? Early morning you have to come out here, so man. The fish them come in early morning and go out in the daytime. Them go to the reef for shade. You're lucky if you pick up one, so. I pass him, I pass. Here, Philip. Here you go, boss. I first cast me, test it out, look a while. See your setup here, boss. Nice and light in your hand, look here.
Yeah.
Brand new. So how you work it, let me show you real quick. But then you got, oh come on, you can walk. Come in, Philip. So what I did was I built your leader line. I gave you a steel leader line, straight down. This is your lure, and I put on your nylon. Yours came in black, mine come in gray. This is nice. I like this. Yeah. So I prefer the black. But like when you're using your rod, Philip, leave a foot off your main line, a foot from the tip off your main line, and then your leader line. So you have 2 foot of line there on the end at all times. Your bail up in the air like this, trigger finger.
Yeah.
Unlock your bail, that's your safety.
Yeah.
Put the rod behind you, send forward and let go your finger. See how you drop?
Yeah.
Close your bail, take your time and stiffen up the line and just bring it in. Bring it in at a speed. Try not to bring it in too slow because barras and certain fish don't like slowness. You see, watch the lure how it's swimming. Look how it's swimming. The more you manipulate the thing, look at it. You see, look at fish are chasing? You see, look at fish are chasing?
But I saw quickly coming in.
Watch. So when you send it out, lock your bail, and you gotta watch your birds. They'll pick that shit up. Yeah, they'll think it's a fish. Send that come in, so you're winding in, and you're twitching the same time with your hand like this. Look at it. Look at Lord. See, Lord. So you look like a real fish.
Yeah.
So the whole idea is to trick the fish to think it's another fish. So they think it's a fish, they bite it, they grab it. I find this a little bit more competitive. But I'm gonna tell you something with nylon. If you're not careful, you get wind knots. Take your time and pull it out. Don't rush it. Take your time and unknot it when that happens. Don't rush. So here, look. Try it out now. See? 2 foot of line. Trigger finger. Unlock. Send forward. And let go your finger same time you go forward.
You always have 2 foot of line
All the time. But make sure you remember, say, hey. My rod and everything is in the car. I test, I put on from rod and come test your rod for a while. I want to put in a water, I want to put in to see if it'll pick up something. My daughter and everybody down there. I'm ready, I left them on beach, I'm going down the line, man. Alright guys, so this is it, Philip. See how this is? This is perfect barrel water right here, barracuda water.
Yeah.
They love this type of water. So for instance now, like when you cast out, I'm gonna put a smaller lure on this. I'm gonna switch this lure off real quick. And drop a smaller lure on this. Hold on. Even though I could put my spoon lure on this and I'll probably hammer something right away. But I'm gonna switch this lure off real quick. Here, you're gonna need one of these. Tackle bag. So I made you like this, look. Same way, just like me. Hook it on in there. Lock your lock swivel, and that's it. So you have a lure on there just like me. Except you have a bucktail on yours.
Okay.
A bucktail normally prove a lot more fruitful than what I got here. But because of the fact that this is a Yazuri crystal minnow, this lure costs $20 US. They built differently. If you look at the build on this one versus this one, it has a crystal in it. This one has it in it, but it's not as depth as this.
Okay, okay.
So now, for instance, like you're gonna cast this area. Look, check your overhead. Make sure you're clear.
Yeah.
Make sure everything around you clear. Nobody not there behind you. Yeah. Send it out there like this. Drop it. You bring it in, but you watch from where the lure. If you know that you're next to rocks, you're trying to keep your hands up so the lure don't dive too deep. You see the lure I swim in? See it?
Yeah. Well, I don't see it. You're watching it. Your eyes are pretty good.
So, I cast out again like this, and I work this area. See it? You see where the lure's on top of the water?
Yeah.
You have to watch that lure when it drops in the water. You have to, because you're looking out for rocks. You're looking out for fish chasing it. You're looking out for anything. You understand? So we're gonna go on the rock tips out there and work the rocks. We're not gonna stay in here because in here is shallow, and I don't want you getting hitched up because you're gonna have to go get the lure if you do that. See? I work it back to me. See it? I scan the area. See, because I know where the rocks are in here, I can do this in here. I know which spot end there. And I know if I get stuck, I'm definitely going to go get my lure. I'm going to get wet to go get it. Alright? So we can either go that way or we can go this way. You choose.
No,
Alright, let's go this way. I go that way all the time. So what you can do, practice a few casts, Philip.
Yeah.
Like you walking on these rocks or somebody that hunting a soldier crab ain't catching them. Soldier crab, them that hunt with snapper run around here. You can get up, you can stop, Philip, and practice casting eye deep, like here, where it's deeper, come out to here and cast that way and pull back this way. And then you'll definitely hook onto something. Hey guys, so getting Philip used to this lure fishing because this is his first time, and he's going to try it out and see how much he likes it. Like this, for example, you can do a side cast. You ain't got to go overhead cast. You can go like so. And send it out like so, and just work it in and see if you'll hook something. Because if there's fish in the water, they're gonna grab it, bro. Not even a question.
Right,
so make sure, look, look.
Oh, over here.
Yeah, what you want to do, catch a clear spot. Look, make sure you get that. Look, there's rocks in front of you. You don't want rocks in front of you. You don't want that black.
When you're coming in.
Yeah, you don't want that stuff in front of you. So what you want to do, side cast like this, same way, just like an overhead cast, and then you just bring it back to you with your rod tip down, like this, working it back. And if something's there, Philip, see, fish on, yellowtail.
Oh, Christ. You're good.
This is what's up, bro. You believe now?
Yeah, I believe now.
Woo. So, clear your rod. And just make sure I'm clear from behind you when you cast. Make sure that 2 foot rule. Yeah, guys, yellowtail snapper. Woohoo! So I don't get hooked again. Just remember the 2 foot trigger finger.
That is too much.
That's good. You know, try swing with power, you know, brother.
So this is the unlock, right?
Yeah. Unlock. Cast forward and let go your finger as you go forward. Yeah. Just like that. Wind them in now. Lock and wind in. Come in with a little bit of speed. Don't try to go so slow. You see it? You see it swimming to you? Alright. Send him back out again and you just practice the same thing back and forth. See? Look. Bro, nice dinner size snapper, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, buddy. That's what's up. So, Philip, this is more, I find this a little bit more fun. I don't have to bait back up this line. I see a big grouper. Yeah, bro, that's it. Just like that. And just work it, Philip. Just work it coming into you. Just work it coming back to you, bro. Just watch the rocks when you're coming in. And just swim. You understand? Come out here, so if you're not getting no result, let's come out here, someone. Come out here, someone. Walk and whistle. Walk and move. Same way. We are hunting, Philip. We're hunting, bro. So you find yourself a nice, comfortable spot that you can stand up. Even if you have to stand up on a reef out here and get a cast out. I know, say, oh, boom. Just careful and watch it. Them rocks are unforgiving enough. So, you have to just watch your cast. Look, see a line, look. See the length? See the main line, leader line? Pull it up like so, look. Go so. Pull it, man. Pull it with your hand. Pull the card with your hand, man. No, look. Goes up, so. Pull up. Pull forward.
No, it's locked, man.
No, sir. Bro, listen to me. If you can't pull forward with the line, your drag is too tight. Close it back. You have to lock.
Okay.
Pull it. You understand?
Yeah.
If you can't pull that with your hand, that's too tight.
Okay.
So now you want to bring up the line to right there.
Right there.
Right there, so. See your trigger finger right there, so. And go so and set up yourself for your cast. So look, listen.
This is locked now.
Yeah, unlock it, yeah, and then cast out. Cast out. Watch where it drops. Wind in, lock your bail, and wind in. Wind in at a speed. And now swim good. Hook, catch up. No, cast out again. Go on again. Put on the line between your main line. Fish on? No, you got hooked on the rock. You gotta watch yourself, Philip. If not, you're gonna end up losing lures. Yo, move down a little bit where you can go up on that point there. You see that point? Try to move down to that point. Philip, I do this for real, bro. Go on, man, you're good. Just give your leader line, look a bit more line. Up at top. You dip on a flat surface now, you can fish from your and just cast out, straight out. Go on up, look a bit. Up, 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 right there. Just bring the bail back out, yeah. Unlock your bail. Alright, you cast to the right too much. When you're casting to the right too much. Jano, look on the size of the long jaw, I'm a G. In big. Got ya. Fish on. Fish on, Philip. Woohoo! A long jaw. You can't cut me leader. Woohoo! Yeah! Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. That is it.
What you call him?
Long jaw. Look when he eat them. Needle nose, long jaw, ballyhoo. Yeah, about 10 pounds. Woohoo! Where's it, Philip? Philip.
Good, Joe.
Yeah. Shore fishing. Now it's your turn. That's what's up. They're here.
So, we got like this?
Yeah. Ricky, come in with speed. They're here. There's a couple more of them out there. I see a couple more. If you look behind the lure, you'll see them running it down. That lure's not swimming right. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Not trying to get a damn hook in my hand again. Secure my line. What are you trying? What are you trying? Ah, there you go. Got my lure back from you. You gonna chill right there. You dinner tonight, boy. My boy's gonna have you for dinner tonight. My boy's gonna have you for dinner tonight, son. They eat good. You hear? They eat like barra. Yeah, dry fry. They just have a whole bunch of fine bones in them, but they're alright. That is it, guys. Just don't cover the lens. Yeah! Jamaican shore fishing. Just like that. Outside, guys. We're doing it. Got a dinner size. He's still kicking. He's still kicking. Look. He's still kicking. Yeah, I got a yellowtail too. So we're doing it. Just like that, guys. When I string this bad boy up, he's still kicking. But I ain't messing with this mouth. This boy bites.
Yes.
So that's what's up. But what I do, I gill him and I send it to where they gill. So that's why you have this long ass beak on this. And
The ring.
ring, just catch it with your next hand and you string your fish up so that you can keep your fish fresh when you're out fishing. You drop it back in the water and you get your lip grip tool off of them so you can get all your fish on it. Easy does it, guys. Ouch, I got myself stuck to the bone. And I got my lip grip tool. I got both fish. Secure my tool back, guys. Fishing ain't cheap. That's what's up.